So as you can see, I made my own fire alarm board, as you can see, which is really nice. So as you can see, I really could hooked up the fire alarm, the Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, which is right here, and I have the fire alarm pulsation all wired up. Are you ready? Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pull down the fire alarm and see how it's supposed to work. But before we get to that, we'll put this up. Put it up here if you guys want it. If you want this, please rate, comment, and subscribe to me. And leave a comment to this sound box. We need it anyways. But for real, we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm and see it works. Here we go. So I will go ahead and take my Simplex B key. There we go. Oh. I better this is not screwed in. Hold on. Yeah, I only can do key activating too if I want. As you can see, I just stopped the panel. Go ahead and fit the screw in there. Oh my god. There we go. It worked. Alright. Let's do it again this time. But before I get into that, I might go ahead and switch the tones. So I might go ahead and change this with my screwdriver. I'm going to go put my dip switch right here, where it's supposed to be. And I might go ahead and put it in. And see how it works. Whatever, it says on Cool 3 chime. There we go. I guess I didn't close it all the way. Well, let's see how we'll do it again. Might go ahead and switch the tones. Let's put this on here. And then we might go ahead and test it. And it's going to be really loud, I believe. We believe in you. We're going to go ahead and set it on. Oh, the faceplate's upside down. We might go ahead and turn on the fire alarm. Without further ado, here we go. Please lower your volume because it's gonna be really loud. Wow, that was really loud. The fire alarm set on whoop. If you do this, doesn't do anything. But yeah, might be cool. Let's go ahead and connect this. We might go ahead and so let's go to work by pulling the fire alarm. Alright. Take this out, take the faceplate out, and then we'll go ahead and switch the tones. I know it's loud. We might go ahead and change it to here this time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and test it by taking a Simplex B key and key activated it. Looks like that. It kind of looks like this by pulling the fire alarm. We're gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm again. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh crap. I guess it's just shut off for no reason. Oh well. Alright, now let's do it again. Really louder than I thought. Alright? So. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm again. But we're going to do this again by pulling it. So, which means, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Alright. So right here, I'm going to pull the fire alarm and leave. Okay? So, which I'm actually going to do is change the tone again. By changing it. Yes, I do have to tape on this one too. I have to tape it. Hold on. Like, I have to connect the wires and stuff. Alright, so as you can see, I might go ahead and switch the tones. So I'm going to change it to right here. I'm going to go ahead and test it with this. It's permanently loud, but why not? Just like that, to its regular tone. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm and leave again. Like I said, like a minute ago now. Or a second ago. Without further ado, let's go ahead and pull it. What the heck? The fire alarm just shut off. I did not know the fire alarm just shut off for no reason. Alright, so let's do it again this time. Alright, guys? Okay, I came back quickly. You know, that was really loud, isn't it? Looks really cool. Alright, so basically if I pull the fire alarm, it shuts off. It shuts off by itself. So, alright, let's go ahead and reset it. As you can see, below of this key, this is not a Simplex B key. This one is a house key. And now this one, which I'm going to show you, this one is a Simplex B key. We're going to go ahead and reset the pole station with this. You want to see the inside? Never mind. Are you ready? But without further ado, pull the fire alarm again. This time. Alright, now let's do key activating. 3, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and switch the tones. Might go ahead and change it through here. Oh no. Yes, maybe from here. Yeah. This one. Yeah, this one. Alright, so as you can see, I tried to switch the tone selector on this, and it's gonna be very loud. Very loud to get, but I just turned the volume on the horn. So we're gonna go ahead and deactivate it again. Continuous chime. Okay? We do not do this stuff. Never pull fire alarms unless these are your own or you have permission. But let's go ahead and just pull the up. So I'm gonna do the fire. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. I'm gonna do the fire alarm. Okay, so let me get this straight. I'm gonna do the pull the fire alarm thing and the leave thing. So we're gonna go ahead and press in the fire alarm and see it works. Alright. Here we go. Alright. That was crazy. Alright, now let's key activate it again. Chime. Alright, sir. Oh, now I'm going to let go of the button and see it works. Today, close the pull station. And today, I'm going to go ahead and do it again this time. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm again this time. Here we go. So it's just one more time. Alright, guess that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching.